Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Monday, October 30th. One day till Halloween, and only a couple days before October is finished. So the thing is, we have 2 days left in October. Can we get through the next 2 days without having a major crash? I ask this pretty much every October because October can be such a wild month. But looking at the news, what do we have today? We have some red items that are not U.S. items. There's a Canadian atom. There's some Chinese numbers at 9:30, manufacturing PMI, and some Japanese numbers later in the day. And that is it. So really no U.S. numbers, not much to talk about. Moving on. Looking at the daily chart. So a couple things here, make this a little bit bigger, is we had red, 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 red. 5 reds and then an up day. Then we had 1, 2, 3 red days and a potential up day. That's today. So remember, I always talk about 3s, 5s, 7s, and 12s. Those are very common patterns that happen in the marketplace. So when you are having 3 days down, it is probably a good probability the next day will be an up day. So you get where I'm going with that. So anyway, this projection here gave us a pretty good projection. It's where it needed to go, not when, but where it is. I do expect to have somewhat of a relief rally of some sort. The market does appear to be oversold. So it wouldn't surprise me to see an update today. Where could it go? I think you can retest the highs from Friday, which is 41.84, but I think a better spot for it is probably this high volume node at 41.91. On the downside, if it could flip and go over and test Friday's low was 41.22 and change. You know, this big cut right there is really right around 4100. It's certainly plausible. So it is in 4100 is on the radar. All right. Let's see. Anything else? Nope. Nothing on that chart. Moving on. The inventory was a negative as the market was negative. So it's correlated. Again, nothing to talk about. I keep talking about how the buy the dippers, they're just not getting flushed out yet. Which I don't think we're at a bottom yet, but we are certainly oversold and could have a relief day today. Would not surprise me. Looking at the intraday for intraday support and resistance. So let's see, we had 69 to 43. That's 26 points. That's about normal. Maybe just a little bit more than normal. Overnight range, so really not too much to worry about there. Where do we have resistance on the way up? You can see when I squash this, nice confluence around 4180, 4185, and around the 4200 level. Support on the other hand, let's see. Support on the other hand, we have some support. Again, around the 4150 whole number area and slightly below it. 4135 and 4121 looks like the closest support that we've got. Stock Traders Almanac for October 30th today is 61.9. 61.9. Now, I like to look ahead on Monday and see what the rest of the week looks like. So I'm going to give you a preview. Every day is positive expectancy. So 61.9 today, 52.4 tomorrow. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are all in the 60s or 70s. So very, very positive week based on the Stock Traders Almanac. It's kind of interesting. First week of November, last week of October, all big positive projections. So keep that in your mind. It's just something that's in the background. And have a great day. See you guys tomorrow. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.